We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x12 Gooseneck dump trailer with 4-foot sides. Here we have your coupler, safety chains. This does require a 2 5/16 ball. Here we have where the hydraulics are, your remote. This does have your heavy duty jack. This does have 4-foot metal sides. Here we have loading ramps that do attach to the side of the trailer. Comes with black diamond plate fenders. This does have 2 Greaseable 6,000-pound axles with brakes. This does have your barn doors, as well as wired with LED drive lights. There are stake pockets along the side. Once again, this is the 7x12 Gooseneck dump trailer with 4-foot sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.